Hi, welcome to Sims. Today's sum. A's income is 60% more than that of B. By what present is B's income less than A's? Here, A's income is 60% more than the B's income. What present B's income less than A's? A's is less than the B. So, let's see the solution. Let B's income be 100 rupees. We say B's income is 100 rupees. Then A's income is 160 rupees because of 60% more than A's income is 60% more than the B. So 100 plus 60, that is 160 rupees. If A's income is 160 rupees, then B's income is 100 rupees. So, if A's income is 100 rupees, then B's income is 100 by 160 into 100. 100 by, here A's income is 160, B's income is 100. If suppose, if A's income is 100, then B's income is 100 by 60 into 100. So, then B's income is 100 by 160 into 100. Here 0, 0 will be cancels. 2 5s are 10, no, 2 8s are 16. No. So, 5 into 100, 500 by 8. Here 8 cancels in 500 in how many times? So, 5 6 are 48 and 8. 8 6 are 48. So, 20. 20 means 8 2s are 16. So, 16. Then 40. So, 8.0. 8 5s are 40. 8 5s are 40. So, 62.50. B's income less than A's income by 100 minus 62.50. B's income is 100. A's income is 62.50. So, A's income you minus the 100. So, total 37.5%. This is the solution. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe.